The Washburn Tunnel is the longest tunnel in Texas and has a truly fascinating backstory. Named after Harris County Auditor Harry L. Washburn, the Washburn Tunnel serves as the first toll-free tunnel in the southern United States. If you've ever traveled between Pasadena and Houston, Texas, you've likely driven through the Washburn Tunnel. It truly was an incredible feat of engineering for its time, and its history is fascinating. The Merrill Chapman and Scott Corporation of New York built the $7 million project in 1950. First, a trench 90 feet by 40 feet had to be dug. Second, the sections had to be locked into position 85 feet underwater. Finally, the last touches to the two-lane roadway, such as tiling the inside, were completed. It is the only underwater vehicle tunnel currently in operation in the state of Texas, as the Baytown Tunnel was replaced in 1995 by the Fred Hartman Bridge. The tunnel consists of a single bore, 3,791 feet in length, with a 6% roadway grade outward from the center towards each exit. The thought of traveling below such an incredible amount of water pressure might be a little unsettling, but fear not. There are pumps underneath the pavement that drain any water back into the ship channel. There are also fans that keep the air free of carbon monoxide, a generator, and brighter lights at the entrance and exit of the tunnel to prevent temporary blindness.